Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you how you can sell your art in Threadless successfully. Go to Google, search for Threadless. This is the official website. Click the first website here. You will see this page. In this page, click on the shop dashboard, as you can see here. When you click on the shop dashboard, set up your accounts. In this one, start adding your product. You can start to add your product. Click OK, click add your product in this case, and then you will open your product page added. So in this case, you have product title, primary image. You can add your background here, content here, upload your content. In this case, for example, just random content. From the product title, choose your product title here, and then select your product category. You can add socks, t-shirt. This is if you want to sell t-shirts, add your t-shirt from here. You have men's and women two option here. This is target for men's. Click this one. You can download your template from here, and then you can use this template. For example, you click agree the website term and conditions to sell product content and art. Click this icon and then click create a product. You should choose a background color in this section. You have this content here, this different option. Basically, this is how you can do to sell products. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you soon.